Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Well, so Palantir finally, after having broken 1194, we still had this double resistance kind of thing at 1237, and we broke that today. So we closed up 50 cents, 4.06%, closed at 1282. Post market, we are even up by 1 cent. So let's look at what we have here. So nice green candle, a little bit of a wick on at the top here. So a little bit of a push back down from the sellers. That's not so bad. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out. So this is the candle for the first hour of the day. So we had the nice, strong first hour. Look at this very strong move. Then a pullback a little bit. Then a pullback that was almost at 50% of the candle. Then green candle. Then we made a little bit of a top here, then came back down for 2 hours and then came back up with a little bit of a wick here. So a little bit of a pushback in the end, but all in all, still a very nice move. Let's go see on the daily chart. Yesterday, we closed at 1232, a little bit shy of 1237 that we had been following. So we had been following two different resistance. We had the 1194, which I was talking a lot about. And we also have the 1232, which was basically this double resistance. We went against yesterday this 1237 resistance with the stochastic below 60s. The move was not there completely, but today we broke outside of that and we have stochastic at 93. So that's very strong. Let me put a green thumb up to indicate that our stochastic criteria has been met. MACD still crossed over bullish. RSI crossed 50. So 50 is a bullish move, and RSI has been increasing for a long time, even though the stock was decreasing. And now the prediction ability of RSI are beginning to be shown because the stock is moving up now. And RSI had seen it a long time ago. Then DMI, the two lines are getting very close together. Once the green line goes over the red line, this is going to indicate that the stock is ready for a longer term move. So very nice to see this. So I'm going to change the colors of this. So the next resistance that we are going to have to encounter is at 1418, and also this one. This is a double resistance again. And we have this one at 1442. So this is what the stock will have to bump its head again. So is it going to stop there and pull back a little bit? That's always a possibility. Or is the stock strong enough to go through that and then go and start testing this downward mid channel resistance? We don't know what it is going to do, but we are going to watch it every single day, and then we are going to be able to decide what we need to do. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to talk to you on Monday if you are not a member. If you are a member, then we are going to talk on Sunday for the live that we do every week. I'm going to wish you a great weekend, and I will tell you à la prochaine.